Hey you guys, thank you so much for coming to this video. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to, please subscribe to my channel. I took a little break because of everything going on, but now I'm kind of getting back into filming. So I do 3 videos a week when I'm actually filming. I know a lot of us are stuck at home, the salons are all closed, and maybe your hair color needs some help. So a great way is just to do it yourself at home. And I have found a really amazing hair color company that ships directly to you. They're called Madison Reed, and they actually did reach out to me and send me this hair dye that I have used, and it's on right now. And I will show you all the steps that I went through and how everything went, and the before and after pictures. If you're interested in a hair color kit that you can do at home, let's get into it. So Madison Reed is this awesome company. Madison Reed did reach out to me and ask if I would like to try their hair dye. And so I said, sure. Since we had recently started traveling and I no longer had a hairstylist, I was going to the same girl for like 8 or 9 years, and I don't really trust just anybody to do my hair. So I was like, you know what? Why not just do it myself this time? And even now it's a perfect time because now everything's closed. You can't go get your hair done anywhere. And I think the best thing about them is that they have on their website the feature to try on different hair color. So I'm going to screen record and show you guys how that works. So you go to their website and you say, you like pick a color, and then you can go to try it on. You could try on live, or with a picture, we'll do live. So right now you can see this is my hair color right now, and then this side is showing with the hair color that we're looking at. So you can kind of slide it so you can see the full thing, or you could just do half and half. So then if you want to look through browns, there's medium brown, golden. We could go to reds. So there's like an auburn that you can see. That's kind of fun. Let's see, darkest brown. I feel like they don't have that many. Maybe they're out of some right now just because a lot of people are doing this at home now, but see, that one's really pretty. That's really dark. So I went on and I did this and I picked my perfect shade, and I chose medium smoky brown, sienna brown. So they sent me that, and it's this really cute packaging. It all is just really nice instructions, very easy. Comes with gloves, comes with the shampoo and conditioner. So I did all the steps. It's really simple. You just mix it up, you put it on your hair from the root to the end, and wait like 20 minutes, and then rinse it out and you're done. So I'll insert some footage of the before and also the process of me dyeing my hair. And now it has been a couple of weeks since I dyed it, so it's faded a little bit because I did have some highlights. But overall, it is looking very nice. I love how it just kind of covered everything. It was really easy. There was no like big chunks that I missed or anything. Let me turn around so you can see. So it's just nice, even, really nice hair color. I think their selection is really nice. I think all the shades they have, just all the different tones they have. It's just it seems like a really great company. And so thank you again, Madison Reed, for sending me this hair dye. I really love it. It was so needed at this time in my life. So I'm so glad you reached out to me, and I would definitely do this again. Just something, even if you normally get your hair done, and it'd be nice to just have, you know, just in case you can't get into the salon in time, or in case something happens where all the salons close. You know, you never know what's gonna happen. I believe it's $26.50 for the kit of the dye and all the stuff that you need. I feel like that's a good price for good quality hair dye. And I really love that it's just a little bit darker. It's nothing too dark, but it is definitely a change, and I really like it. Also, by the way, don't mind my... Okay, two things to not mind. My 2-year-old in the next room trying to go to sleep. She's talking. And also, don't mind my messy hair. I ran out of my good hairspray, and this is the result of a not good hairspray, which does not look as nice. So just look at the color and not really the messy curls, because this is not my favorite. Just know that. Yeah, I think that is pretty much it for this video. I just kind of wanted to show you guys the process and the results from this hair dye. And I definitely love it. I recommend it. And I definitely recommend going online and doing the try on. It helps so much when you can visualize what it's gonna look like, instead of just thinking like, oh yeah, that color will look good on me, or I really wanna try that, but I'm not sure. You can actually just go and try it on. Even if you don't wanna dye your hair, I think that's a cool way to just kind of see and change, you know, see what it would look like if you changed your hair color. It's just a really fun thing if you're bored at home. Something to do. That is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments. Do you dye your hair at home? Do you only go to the salon and right now you're just like, what am I gonna do? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.